Hey, what's up guys, it's Jeremy Kruis here. I'm using the GoPro again to vlog. It's so fun to vlog with. We're on a random adventure today. We're in Bulacan, which is about 2 hours north of Manila. And just checking out what's around here. Right now we're at the Bit River. Check out the river down there. This place is pretty chill. People just swim in. Definitely want to come back here. This is called Bit River. Look at this, such a nice place for swimming. We ran into this place by accident as well. We weren't actually looking for this, we were looking for the dam. So there's a dam, but the road is closed. And we ended up finding this place. So cool, huh?
It's only 250 pesos for a cottage rent.
Yeah, if you're looking for a place to come and chill with your family, this is perfect. Just a couple hours north of Manila. Just look it up, Bit River. Swim, there are not many people. It's a Saturday today. Eating a little snack here, and then we're gonna keep exploring Bulacan, see what we can find. Ready? Alright, we're stopping by the road. We just saw a view deck here overlooking the dam. So gonna check it out. Whoa, ano yan? Ano to? Look at this tree.
Meron kami nakita dito na puno. Ang ganda. Sabi ni ate, "Hi ate, kaway ka." Malabulak tree. Mga 30 plus years old na daw siya. Tapos pag tag-ulan, puro dahon lang siya. Pero pagdating ng February, magsastart na ulit siya mag-blossom. Eh di parang sakura din siya, parang cherry blossom sa Japan.
Yun nga ang sabi nila, parang ganun daw. Galing, siguro nadala lang galing Japan dito.
I can't see the sun. We're at a totally different part of town now in Bulacan. We're checking out this unicorn cafe. Let's see what this is like. So I'm currently a unicorn now. Again, this place is called Dreamy Unicorn Cafe. It's in Bulacan. Search that on Google if you're interested in coming here. Basically, if you order 250 pesos worth of stuff, you can wear these uniform outfits. Yeah, they have milkshakes and snacks and food that you can eat. And you can dress up in these unicorns. So if you're looking for a little pajama cozy place to be, this is the place to go. It's nice and cold in here. Sit down with the stuffed animals and have a little party. So well, there you go. Dreamy Unicorn Cafe. Well, that pretty much concludes our day exploring Bulacan. Just finishing dinner now at Ganchan Japanese restaurant, and then we're heading home. So yeah, super simple trip. Wanted to get out of the city for a bit. I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
Anyways, that's it for this video. See you next time.
Alright, we're on our way home now, and it's like super traffic, so I hope you enjoyed watching that. If you did, leave it a like and subscribe and like it and share it and stuff. That's only if you want to, you don't have to. So see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Love you.